Right, this is my second video and the new and improved version of the control circuit, which will then drive relays and optocouplers to turn amplifiers on and off. In the previous video, basically, I had a simple circuit that was just pinched off the internet, that with this push button here would turn this LED on and off. What I wanted to do was actually have it so it's actually a bicolor LED with three legs, as you can probably see, and I wanted it to basically toggle between red when it's off, or the circuit is off, and green when it's on. So having played around a little bit more, read up a bit about how MOSFETs work and using them as switches, I'm now quite pleased to have a working design. So here it is to quickly show you. Currently the power is off. I'm actually feeding it from a 10 mAh regulated power supply that you can buy from CPC for about £40. I've been a bit cheeky. I've actually disconnected the internal fan because it was making quite a racket, but for the amount of current that I'm drawing, it really doesn't seem to make any difference or get hot at all. So yes, I've done that. Maybe you shouldn't, but anyway. But yes, so here it's off. I'd set an arbitrary limit to 30 milliamps. It's 5 volts. The LED is of course off. As soon as I turn it on, we shall see the LED lights up. So now this is effectively the equivalent of the circuit in standby mode, and when we push the magic button, it goes green. So now we can power on our systems. As before, this circuit includes debouncing, so red, green, off, on. But if I start going too fast, there you see it's on. If I slow down, it's off, on, off, and then if I do it off very quickly, it stays off. Oh, and the other thing is, in its current state, it's only drawing about 2 milliamps. When I turn it on, it draws a tiny bit more, about 3 milliamps. And now it's on. If I turn it off, obviously it goes off, but when I turn it back on again, it reverts to its off or standby mode. So yeah, that's it. Now I just need to add the extra circuitry. There will be a 12 volt trigger. There's some logic around here to add it, but we're now well on the way. Thank you.